here's how, I'll give an example of a deal in Ozark that we did. Purchased the property for $20,000. I borrowed $30,000 from the private money lender. He loaned the money to me at 8%. So when I purchased the property, I made 10 grand. Tax-free because it was a loan. Right? So how much out of pocket am I? Zero. I'm 10,000 to the good when I bought it. What's my return? Infinite. I put zero money in, I made 10 grand tax-free sitting in the bank. I sold the property for $59 owner financing with $3,000 down.